Azul, aythma, suythma, and welcome back to your channel Learn Tharifith, to another exciting lesson where we dive into language, culture, and everything that connects us to our Riffian roots. If you are new here, my name is Ayub and I am teaching Riffian language step by step and in an easy way. For those who've been wanting videos in the few past months, please forgive my absence. It is due to personal matters. In fact, my father died. He passed away in April, and this was a hard event that pushed me to focus on myself and my family. All I want from you is a prayer to my father, and may these videos be a blessing for him in the other life. And as a continuity to the previous video, this one will be about the verb to have in the present tense. And by the way, this video is also sponsored by you guys. Your comments and messages are more than enough for me and fuel me to make more videos. If you want to participate in the development of this YouTube channel, please go check our website. We have few merch. You can read also some articles and find all these videos I am making on YouTube in order so that you can learn easier and fast. The website is www.learntharifith.com. So let's jump to the video and start learning. In Riffian, the verb to have is Ghari. So that you know, it is an irregular verb, so its conjugation is a little bit different than regular verbs. It doesn't follow a systematic pattern, but it's super useful. You'll need it to talk about your possession, your age, and more. So let's start with the first chapter, the conjugation of the verb to have, or Ghari, in the present tense. Nish Ghari, I have. Shik Gharich, you have, if we are talking with male. And Shim Gharam, if we are talking to a female. Nitta Gharas, he has. Nittath Gharas, she has. Nishnin Gharnach, we have. Khinniw Gharhu, you have. Nithnin Gharsan, they have, but the group should be majority of them males. Nithnint Gharsant, they have. In this case, the entire group should be females. So now that we know how to conjugate the verb to have, or Ghari, let's talk about pronunciation. So let's practice a little bit. Nish Ghari, Nish Ghari. Shik Gharich. You should pay an attention here because the K at the end of Gharich is pronounced Gharich. It's not Gharich, it's Gharich. Shik Gharich. Shim Gharam, Shim Gharam. Nitta Gharas, Nittath Gharas. Nishnin Gharnach, Nishnin Gharnach. Khinniw Gharhu, Khinniw Gharhu. Nithnin Gharsan, Nithnin Gharsan. Nithnint Gharsant, Nithnint Gharsant. Now let's go to the part where we talk about the usage of this verb to have, or the verb Ghari. In Riffian language, we use the verb Ghari first for possession. Example, if I want to say I have a car, I can say in Riffian, Nish Ghari Tonobin. Nish Ghari Tonobin. I have a car. Nish Ghari Tonobin. And for example, if I want to mention to someone that he or she has only one shoe, I can say Shik Gharich ijntsirith. Shik Gharich ijntsirith. And if I'm talking to a female, I can say Shim Gharam ijntsirith. And the second usage of this verb, the verb to have, or the verb Ghari, is to talk about the age. For example, I am 25 years old. Nish Ghari 25 isgusa, or Nish Ghari 25 سنة. You should be careful to not use the verb to be when you talk about the age. In Riffian, we use the verb to have, Ghari. So I've prepared a little exercise that will reinforce this lesson. You must complete with the correct form of the verb to have in these sentences. The first sentence: I have 3 brothers. Nish blank ثلاثة نيثما. You have 1 house. شك blank إجن تدث. He has 2 problems. نتا blank اثنين إمخنبر. إمخنبر means in Riffian problems. We have 1 face. نشنين blank إجن وذم or إجن وكمة or إجن وغنبوب. The 3 words, they mean the face. You have many questions. شك blank الطاس يسقسيتن. شك blank الطاس يسقسيتن. They have a red door, and by they I am suggesting you to imagine a group of females. So they have a red door. نثنينت blank إجن طواث تزقوث. Now the second exercise. You should translate in Riffian the following sentences. I have a dog. I have a dog. And dog in Riffian is أقزين. They have a beautiful house. They have a beautiful house. And by they, I'm suggesting to imagine a group of females. You are right. You are right. And by you, we mean a singular and male. He has a PC, a personal computer. He has a PC. A little activity that you can do with your family or friends. The activity is that you can discuss with your parents, friends and family 3 things that you have. For example, Nish Ghari التليفون ذا بركان. I have a black phone. Nish Ghari إجن تداث قل حسيمة. I have 1 house in Al Husayma. And you can ask them, شك غارك التليفون نغلا. شك غارك التليفون نغلا. Do you have a phone or not? شك غارك التليفون نغلا. ما الماركة التليفون غارك? Which brand you have? Now, for you to master this verb, you should first memorize this verb, and you can use flashcards or apps and try to use this verb in your daily life discussions. I will let you in the description of this video a little exercise, extra exercise, to practice it with your family and friends. I hope that you've learned how to use the Riffian verb Ghari to have in the present tense, and as I always say, please practice these verbs in order for them to become something that you use every day. And mastering this basic verb will make your Riffian more natural and beautiful. If you found this video helpful, please like, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to visit our website, and most of all, don't forget to send your prayers for my dear father. And in fact, he was one of the few persons that encouraged me to open this channel and to teach Riffian language and to spread our culture. And Amazigh in a new video. Ayuso.